Hi, revolutionize your paint manufacturing process with the GSS 4-nozzle automatic paint filling line. Say goodbye to tedious manual filling and hello to super efficiency. This advanced system handles pail placing, filling, capping, and palletizing seamlessly, streamlining your production line. With 4 nozzles working simultaneously, it boosts productivity by filling multiple paint cans at once, eliminating bottlenecks. Experience precise measurements and consistent quality, reducing waste and errors. Embrace the future of automation. Upgrade your business today. Contact us to schedule a demo and discover how the GSS 4-nozzle automatic paint filling line can transform your operations, saving you time and resources. Don't miss out on this excellent solution. Take control of your business's success now.